Okay, hello everybody. This is your coach on online marketing, Omar Valero. Today I want to show you how you can link your funnel or your website in ScribbleFunnels.com in our builder. The link is down below in the description. Okay, if you want to go and test it for free for 40 days, no credit card required. And I want to show you how you can link your account with Zapier. Okay, how you can link your funnels, your website with Zapier to take virtually any action that you want. Okay, but today I want to show you how you can store your traffic details, your contact details from your leads, name, email in a Google spreadsheet. Okay, this is something that usually you make to manage your contacts outside your funnel. But for instance, you can manage your contacts inside your funnel. Okay, so usually you don't need this. But sometimes you want to have this sort of content, this sort of information out there to make some more action. So how you can integrate Zapier with your funnel. First and foremost, what we need is a paying Zapier account. Okay, let me a second so I can enlarge the screen. Okay, we need a paying Zapier account. Okay, you need to go crazy and have one of these expensive accounts. Just go to the cheapest one, which is the $20 per month, because we are going to need webhooks. Okay, this feature right here, we're going to need to use this. We are working on a direct integration with Zapier with a custom app, but right now we are testing that, so it's not working yet. It's not ready yet, but will be available, and also in some other automations directly inside ScribbleFunnels. Okay, so eventually you won't need this, but right now it's a need. So you need first and foremost an paying Zapier account. Once you have this, you need to go to make a sub, and let's try to make this as quick as possible. Okay, so we are going to use webhooks. Webhook is kind of a program, okay, that sends information from your website to Zapier, okay, and that information is managed by Zapier. You can kind of take parts of that information and put it onto a spreadsheet, for example. So we are going to use webhooks. So you see, this is a premium feature. So you need a paying account, and then the trigger is going to be catch a hook. Okay, and then continue. Now, Zapier gives us this URL that is going to catch information from our website. So we need to copy this and go back to our funnel, and on website settings, applications, here's where we connect the different applications that we need to externalize the data. Okay, you see here's get response. I have already a webhook, but you can also connect MailChimp, Facebook Pixel, etc., an email server. At this moment, we need to connect a webhook, which is down below in the list. Click on connect, and then paste the URL, the URL that Zapier have give us. And you can trigger this webhook with different things. Okay, you can trigger this with a new order, with an order adapted, new product updated, a new form submission, new contact activity, or a new booking session. You can have one or all these. So when someone triggers any of these actions, that information is sent to Zapier through this webhook. Okay, so for now, let's say just I want to this webhook to trigger with a new booking session. I have this already here, so you see this. Okay, this is a webhook. So I'm going to just change this so it works. New booking session and save. Okay, now in order to trigger and have some information on Zapier to be able to manage this, we need to trigger that webhook. Okay, so I'm going to my website and trigger create a call with myself. So let's go to live preview of page, and I'm going to book a call with me in a while. The name is, let's say, test. The email is this one, and the purpose of this meeting is testing Zapier. There you go. And I can add a file if I want. This is really powerful, the applications, by the way. The appointments, sorry. And book appointment. There it is. The appointment is booked. And I should receive an email to confirming this in any moment. But Zapier right now have that information to treat. So let's go back here and click on continue. Okay, we don't need to check anything on that step. Let's test the trigger. It should receive the information that I just type on my page. Here is the information. This is from the operator. This is from the lead. Okay, I have the name, I have the email, and I have the purpose of the meeting. And I should have here, if I add some file, I will have the name of that. So I have the information. Let's click on continue. Okay, true, it works. And now I want to send this data to a Google spreadsheet. But as you see, I can do so many things right here. I can format this data, I can filter the data, I can have a delay, I can send me a message on Slack, I can send me a message on Gmail or on Zoho, for example. You have more than 2,000 options right here to treat your data, to manage your data. So Google Sheet, and I want to create a spreadsheet row, and I'm going to connect my account, which is this one, and I have this little spreadsheet right here that is going to have the name, the email, and the purpose of the meeting. Okay, it's inside my drive. So you need to create this before linking with Zapier. You need to have these headlines on your columns with the information that you want, the same that is on the form. Okay, and that's it. Let's go back to Zapier. This is my account. Continue. Drive folder. Okay, the spreadsheet is called Zapier, and the worksheet is number 1, and then click continue. Okay, so these are the headlines of the columns that you see. If you don't have these, you need to refresh the fields, or if you want to change something, let's say, for instance, more info. Okay, then I click on refresh fields, and it will fetch the columns, the headlines of the columns, so I can put the information on in here. More info, perfect. Name, so I want to catch the name of my lead, which is the contact name. I want to fetch the name of the email of the lead, which is contact email. And if you have treated this data, you can split the answers of your form in different parts. Okay, for example, I have here everything under the same field, which is form answer value, but you can split this on different parts if you kind of treat a little bit this data with another step, a previous step on the SAP. Okay, for now, as this is going to be a quick video, just take this. Okay, or I should put this maybe on more info, and see that. Okay, and then click on continue. Once you have put all your information, this is what Zapier is going to send to my spreadsheet, and then click on test and review. Okay, the information was sent to Zapier. Let's check that. There he is. There it is. The name, the email, the information on the collective of the information, and the more info field again. And each time that someone book a call with me, this is going to trigger. okay, and send me this information here so I can treat this and send it to someone else, for example, if I like, or use any other of the multiple apps that are linked on Zapier. Okay, then you just need to click to the on button to switch that on, and that's it. You have your funnel on ScribbleFunnels linked with Zapier to the app that you better like. So this is for today, guys. I hope you get value from this video, from this quick video. If you have any question, any comment, just let me know. Let me that information in the section below, and I will be happy to answer all your questions. Okay, and also I recommend you to go to ScribbleFunnels.com and give it a try to this platform to build your website. I mean, you will be really amazed of the power that is inside this platform, and it's free for 14 days. No credit card required, and I can assure you that you won't like to go to any other builder in all your life. Okay, so thanks so much, and see you on the next video.